Welcome to your Suburban organic homestead. Today I'll be making homemade immunity boosting shots. These immunity boosting shots contain vitamin C, zinc, probiotics, anti-inflammatories, and immunomodulatory agents. There are 3 reasons why I prefer to make homemade immunity shots instead of buying them from the store. 1. You can determine the quality and quantity of the ingredients put into your shots. 2. You can personalize the shots. This recipe, for example, is for adults. For my young children, I would leave out the powdered vitamins and add some other ingredients. Subscribe now to view that video because I'll be creating a recipe video on immunity boosting shots for children soon. 3. Huge cost savings. This recipe is 57 cents per shot compared to roughly $3.50 at the store. I've previously made 28 shots for $16. I would have spent $98 at the store for that quantity. I saved a whopping $82. I buy and grow organic ingredients. This is especially important when creating medicinal remedies like this immunity boosting shot that's intended to support your health. Pesticides are counterproductive as they are incredibly harmful to your overall health. A quick side note, I've included the recipe within the description below. Please like and share this video. It really helps me and my videos reach more people. Thank you. So, in this recipe, I used freshly squeezed organic lemon, which contains loads of vitamin C. I also used freshly grated ginger and turmeric. Ginger is fantastic for lowering inflammation. Turmeric is also an anti-inflammatory, but has so many other useful functions as an immunomodulator. I then blended all of these ingredients with apple cider vinegar with the mother. It's important that it contains the mother, as this has the beneficial yeast and bacteria that is created as a result of the fermentation process and is tremendously good for your gut. Think of it as food for the good guys in your microbiome. Studies show that 70 to 80% of your immune cells are in your gut. Eating a nutritious diet with plenty of probiotics gives the good guys the best chance of defeating the bad bacteria. I've also added powdered vitamin C from capsules that contained 500 milligrams each and zinc. I then freeze the blended ingredients in ice cubes and freeze for at least 4 hours before use. I usually keep them in the ice tray or in a bowl in the freezer for future use. Save the lemon rinds in your freezer to make your own non-toxic, chemical-free surface cleaning solution. I'll be posting a how-to video soon. I like to add my immunity-boosting shots into a glass of orange juice with some pulp. It's important to get the orange juice that is 100% oranges, no added sugar, preservatives, sweeteners, or artificial colors. Even better if you can find organic orange juice because it contains up to 30% more vitamin C than conventionally grown oranges and has no harmful pesticides. Garnish with a dehydrated orange slice and enjoy. Subscribe to view more videos by your Suburban Organic Homestead. Let's grow together.